Let's get started. Okay, hello everyone, long time no see. Welcome to our M100 Dispatch Microphone Console Product Sharing Salon. I'm today's presenter, Kenny. Okay, as you know, our M100 microphone console was launched in July, and today we have an exciting opportunity to explore this product in depth. In today's sharing, we'll dive into the M100's feature, design, and capabilities, covering its product overview, specifications, panel interfaces, highlight features, and application scenarios. And if you have any questions during this session, please leave a message in the text box, and my sales colleagues will get back to you. Okay, let's continue. First of all, let us have a review of our M100. The M100 is a powerful communication device, but it's not just a device. You can also treat it as a simple but comprehensive solution designed to redefine communication in various industries. With the SIP-enabled design, our M100 offers high performance in a compact form. Let's take a closer look at what makes the M100 stand out. At its core, the M100 features 30 programmable fast keys. It can offer a level of customization that will empower users to experience multiple features in different scenarios. These features can be configured for a wide range of features, from paging and intercom, music playback, phone call, API, and control. And this versatility ensures that our M100 can seamlessly integrate into different environments and serve various communication needs. One of the key innovations of the M100 is the multicast and P2P technology. This technology transforms the M100 into a standalone serverless console, enabling individual and group paging or intercom calls without the need for complex server setups. This simplicity is the game changer. It can make the M100 suitable for many industries, such as education and transportation. Okay, and next, let's have a closer look at the M100 main parameters such as this table. You can see the M100 support PoE 802.3 AF or AT, and it also supports 32 gigabyte TF card to save some audio files. And it also supports up to 100 decibel speaker max sound pressure level and 110 decibel microphone max sound pressure level. Okay, let's continue. Okay, next, let's take a closer look at M100's front panel and interfaces, which play a key role in interaction. Okay, this is the front panel of our M100. It features a 4.3-inch LCD screen on the right side. This screen serves as a central hub for information display. Providing users with some essential feedback. Positioned above the screen are 10 functional button names for quick information. And with this information, users can execute the task more faster and accurately. Below this screen, you will find the real-time display and navigation arrows for seamless page switching. Okay, and one of the standout features of the M100 is its dial pad functionality. By pressing the green dial button, yeah, it's this, and users can quickly access the dial pad for number input. It can simplify the process of making calls. Okay, let's continue. The next is uh, the next physical buttons is the programmable function keys. They are flanking the screen, totaling 12 in number. They are a combination of page navigation buttons and some programmable function buttons. These buttons can be configured through the M100's web management interface to serve some different roles, including the feature keys, speed dials, and paging keys. When you configure them, these buttons will become to green and to provide some visual feedback. And after they are activated, and the buttons will turn red. Unconfigured buttons will stay alight. And navigation bar at the bottom on the day facility easy page switching, effectively providing users with a total of 30 programmable function buttons across the 3 pages. This level of customization ensures that our M100 can adapt to specific workflow requirements. Okay, let's continue. First of all, we can see the gray button on the left side. This is the dial key, which is used to answer or make some calls. If you are in the idle status, you can press it and the central screen will enter to the dial pad interface. And now we check the red button on the right side. This is the hang out button. It is used to reject or end some calls. And if you are in the dial pad interface, you can just press the hang up button to exit. Okay, now on the left side of this M100, you will find a volume control key and a mute button. The volume control key allows users to adjust speaker volume, and the mute button can provide a quick audio silence during the conversations or paging, offering a fine-tuned control over audio output. Okay, now turning our attention to the rear panel of the M100. We discover additional functionalities that enhance its usability. Okay, the first of all is a power button. You can press it to change the running status of the device. And the next one is the power supply interface. You can connect the power cable with it. And the next one is the reset button. You can hold this button for about 2 seconds and the device will announce its IP address, simplifying your network configuration. And if you press and hold it about 10 seconds, and the device will automatically restore the factory settings. It can offer you a fail-safe option for some easy management. And the next one is the system light and the power light. You can check the status from them. And the next one is the Ethernet and PoE interface. You can connect a network cable with it. And the next is the direct contact switch quantity and the RS485 interface. You can connect some peripheral devices with it, such as some alarm light and so on. And the TF card's slot was also equipped. You can insert the 32 gigabyte TF card into it to provide storage for audio files and pre-recorded content. Additionally, the M100 offers output interfaces for connecting headphones and similar devices, as well as input interfaces for external microphones, MP3 players, and other devices, further expanding its functionality and versatility. Okay, that's all for the hardware part. Now let's explore some of the software features that truly set the M100 apart from the competition. Okay, first of all, the M100 operates on the standard SIP protocol. It supports up to 3 registered SIP accounts. This account can be registered on our IP audio center or T-Series IPPBX or other third-party servers to provide flexibility in the system integration. Okay, let's continue. One of the standout features of the M100 is it can support for up to 30 programmable buttons. These buttons can be configured for various features such as outgoing calls, HTTP requests, DTMF requests, relay control, or multicast. For example, you can configure the outgoing call feature on a button, and then you set a destination SIP account, such as a phone or a speaker. And after setting this successfully, you can press the button and you can easily and quickly realize the features of making calls or paging. This level of customization empowers users to tailor the M100 to their specific needs. And the HTTP request feature allows the M100 to invoke different APIs for functions. Furthermore, peripheral devices can be seamlessly integrated, enabling the DTMF requests and the relay control actions, making the M100 a great tool for control. Okay, and one of the most innovative features of the M100 is its multicast functionality. For a lot of clients operating without a SIP server, this feature enables some powerful capabilities like paging and background music playback. For example, when the M100 and a speaker such as our Zyco IC10 speaker, they are deployed in the same local network, and the communication can be established using the multicast addresses. And users can select the microphone option under the multicast. The M100 can broadcast just through the IC10 directly instead of communicating through the SIP server. And additionally, the audio input option can allow for the integration for external audio sources. to let the speaker device play the content that the external audio source is playing at that time. And the last option is the audio file option. It can enable the speaker to play some background music or other audios. The audio files, including some musics or pre-recorded messages, they can be conveniently stored into the built-in 32 gigabyte TF card. And after you storing them, you can just invoke them in this option, this audio file option. Okay, enhancing scheduling capabilities, the M100 offers an event scheduler that allows for timed execution of pre-configured buttons features. Specific time frames and frequencies can be chosen. It can give you precise control over when and how certain actions are triggered. Here I take an example. You can set up schedule tasks like playing background music in your office during some specific business hours on weekdays. It can ensure a seamless and customized experience for you. Okay, in conclusion, the M100 Dispatch Micro Console is a true game changer in the world of the communication solutions. Its capabilities make it very suitable for a wide range of scenarios, from some large scenarios like schools, hotels, hospitals, to some smaller environments like supermarkets or the offices. When integrated with a SIP server, the M100 offers comprehensive control and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for organizations with diverse communication needs. And on the other hand, its serverless independent control through multicast shines in some smaller environments, providing a reliable and efficient communication solution. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for joining us today for the in-depth sharing Salon on the M100 microphone console. We believe that the remarkable device has the potential to transform the way you communicate and interact in your respective industries. If you have any questions or you would like to experience the M100 firsthand, please feel free to reach out to our sales team or email us. Together, let's embrace the future of communication with the M100.